all the way up. I want to see as many flashlights as possible, please. As many flashlights as possible, all the way up in the sky. Let's go, everyone. More, let's go. Yes, everybody, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so for the next performance, we have none other than the staple of Bangladeshi music in Montreal. Everybody, please, a warm round of applause for Madam Shafida Karim.
Good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, I'm going to sing. And hello, everybody. Hope you're doing well. So nice to see you guys all here together in this grand gala of CBBPA. And thank you so much, CBBPA, for having me, giving me the opportunity to sing in front of everybody. And tonight I'm going to sing one of our best, nowadays, it's a contemporary film song that is very popular in Bangladesh. I would like to sing that for you. Let's see how it goes. Now, the second one and my last performance, that will be a folk song, a Bengali folk song. You all know that, and you guys are allowed to sing with me if you know how to sing it. This one I didn't ask you guys because I know it's a contemporary one, so a lot of you maybe you don't know, but the one that I'll be singing now, I'm sure you guys know it, and it encourages me if I see you guys singing with me, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you.
Let's sing along, everybody. Let's do it.
Thank you so much, everybody. Enjoy the night. Thank you. Thank you, the MC.
Everybody, one more round of applause for Shafina Kareem! Wow, what a beautiful singer. She's been entertaining us for years and years. I still remember seeing her on the first show that I ever hosted, and her voice still hasn't changed after all these years. She still gets everybody singing along. That's what Bangla folklore songs will do to you.